My name is Mel Arnold. I work for Midwest Utility Sales in Indiana. Now, I've represented Hastings for 49 years full-time and part-time for that. The reliability and quality of Hastings tools is superb. It's the standard in the industry. They are the best tools out there for hotline tools. They are the standard. Everybody copies Hastings. You can see that when you go out in the field and see what everybody comes out with. It's just a copy of a Hastings product. If you go through the factory, you'll see the people making the sticks, and they understand that it's a frontline defense for the linemen, so they take extra care into it because they know how they're being used. Hastings products make a difference for customer safety. First off, they know they meet the OSHA requirements and the ASTM requirements when they're made, and the linemen know that when they get it, they got a product that meets all the standards and tests. Working with the Hastings team has been a great experience over the years. They're top-notch people who know what they're doing, and they back their product well. What our customers say about the Hastings products is, number one, they're not the most inexpensive product out there, but they are the best product because they understand that all the products that are out there in the market are similar to Hastings because they copy Hastings. So they love the Hastings product. They know what they get when they get a Hastings product. My father saw an ad in T&D magazine and from Earl McMullen, the founder of Hastings, looking for reps. So he made a phone call, and he and Mac got together in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and the rest is history. We've been representing Hastings ever since that time.